You asked, how to divide 9426 by 3 using the long division method. 9 divided by 3 equals 3. 3 times 3 equals 9. 9 minus 9 equals 0. Bring down 4, making 4. 4 divided by 3 equals 1. 1 times 3 equals 3. 4 minus 3 equals 1. Bring down 2, making 12. 12 divided by 3 equals 4. 4 times 3 equals 12. 12 minus 12 equals 0. Bring down 6, making 6. 6 divided by 3 equals 2. 2 times 3 equals 6. 6 minus 6 equals 0. The remainder is 0. The final result is 3142.